Hello, good morning and welcome. This is a little video I'm doing about the S&P 500. It's the 22nd of August and it's just after 10 o'clock. Now, I've been saying for quite some time, I've been banging on about the S&P 500 and how it is, in my opinion, well overbought. And if you look back at the candles just off the screen at March, and we're down here, and they have actually made a higher high on the candle chart. Whereas on the RSI, this is a daily chart, they've actually made a lower low. Now, this is a good indication of sentiment and that it's actually going to go down. We have seen recent falls in the S&P, some quite big candles. The first one went down, it sort of popped straight back up. It then went down again, and we've had 3 days now where it's struggled to get above resistance. And I've been saying for weeks, I cannot believe that people are still actually buying these. Anyway, I've got a few little charts for you to have a look at. Whoops. Right. So this is a little graph, nominal GDP growth versus growth in government debt. Now, but for all but 2 of these years, going up to 2016, so this is from 1991 up to 2016, and it used to be that the government debt was smaller than the growth in GDP. So we had that all the way up until 2008. 2008, the government debt went through the roof and GDP actually fell. And for every year since then, government debt has been greater than the growth in GDP. So without the spending by the government, we actually would have seen a shrinkage in GDP. Next one we've got up, we've got a decline in employment growth in the S&P 500 companies in recent months. So if you look at the chart, the red line here is US non-farm payroll employment, which has remained fairly steady. And but here we have a drop-off in the S&P 500 companies. We're coming down here. Are we going to get as low as the recession going back 2010, 2008? We'll see how that goes on, but that's actually really worrying. So that's the last one, which tells quite a damning story. This is industrial production in the pinkish line here, and this is the value of the S&P 500. As we see in the early years here, it was following it up as production increased, so the value of the company went up, which seems a little bit logical. But here we started to get problems 2014, and actually it really basically has slumped. And I would like to say that the true value of the companies, or the S&P 500, is down here somewhere at 103.7. When this collapses, it's going to come down. It's going to probably go further. These things always run on a little bit, and this is sort of like a danger point. And that's why I keep saying I can't see why people are reinvesting in the S&P 500. It's overbought. Anyway, enough of me wittering on. Thank you very much for watching, for any likes or subscriptions, especially people who actually subscribe to my channel, which is forex4steadyprofit.com. Thank you very much, and hopefully see you later. Cheers, bye.